Eh, Good morning, good night, good afternoon. My name is Adilson Delgado Medina. I'm a student of post-degree in the education sciences in the Cuauhtémoc University. This presentation is for the activity number 4.3 in the English course, my autobiography. Okay, this work have two parts. One of them is this, my autobiography, and the other one is the holiday celebrate in my city, Cali. Okay, we start with this one. Okay, I am Adilson Delgado. I was born in Palmira, Colombia. I am 45 years old. I studied elementary school in Palmira. This was a private school. I remember this school was little and beautiful. There were many students, so I made good friends there. I studied in a public high school. This was good. Everywhere was activity and warm too. It was not difficult for me to adapt. I remember people in my group were really noisy. They were great with me and we went play soccer a lot. Then I did decide to study management. I remember outside I was a little boy and everybody loves what I do. When I was 15, I used to play a lot with my friends. There was a boy who studied with me and was my best friend. He was very kind and friendly to me. People from Colombia are happy and kind. This is the first part. We gonna do the second part. Okay. The tradition of celebrating the Gauch children with pots on Alfeñique in Santiago de Cali, Valle del Cauca, Colombia. Okay. The tradition of celebrating good children with alfeñique pots is a cultural practice that identifies Cali and Caleños. The gift of the pot from good parents to good children is an event that is repeated every year, reinforcing intergenerational ties and networks of relatives and friends, generating feelings and identity, belonging to the city and generational continuity in Cali residents. The children anxiously await June 29, the day of the gift of the flower pots, and of the Christian saints, Pedro and Pablo. Receive this offering and attend the San Antonio neighborhood and other places where their artisans sell their sweets, accompanied by their good fathers. The pot of sweet in the physical symbolic supports of a social relationship, of kinship, and of a rich symbolic universe, on the benchmark of important social values, solidarity between generations, personal responsibility with children, the supports and generosity between families, and the visible manifestation of affection between people, among many other values. Uh, okay, this is the activity. I hope do you like it. Goodbye. Thank you.